competition and inconsistent weather patterns, livestock producers today need to find a new alternative to produce fodder with more efficient and ergonomic systems, such as the Fodder Solutions automatic paddock. Feeding large numbers of livestock with an endless supply of nutritious green fodder has never been easier with this revolutionary system. This world-first machine is a fully automated, climate-controlled building that can produce up to 4 tonnes of product daily, with no labour input or interference from outside environmental conditions. The control of the system is carried by sensors throughout the facility communicating with the main computer. The computer can be set in automatic mode for several harvests per day, or it can be done manually by progressing through the sequence. The computer also has a SCADA system with a SIM card, so it can be communicated with from anywhere in the world. Inside the chamber, there are hydroponic growing food-grade plastic trays on 4 different levels. Trays are rotated throughout the machine on different timed cycles, depending on the type of crop grown. All trays are moved by precision hydraulic rams and phasing cylinders that are filled with sunflower oil. This means that if there is ever a leak or a hose bursts, the entire crop will not be harmed. The watering system can be programmed for 8 individual zones and for infinite intervals and run times. This means that any specialist crop can be grown and watered at different intervals on different levels. The building always maintains a positive pressure by bringing in a small amount of air that passes through 2 stages of filtration. The growing chamber is temperature controlled with artificial lighting, sterilised water and filtered air. This ensures that no outside contaminants can enter into the growing chamber and contaminate the crop. Once the fodder in the trays have fully grown, they're harvested by tipping 1 row of trays upside down onto the feed-out conveyor belt. The fodder is then delivered to awaiting transport at the end of the conveyor belt outside the system. Once the harvested feed has exited the building via the conveyor belt, the trays are washed using high-pressure water and sterilising solutions. Once thoroughly cleaned, the trays are taken to the top level and placed under the automatic seeder. The seeder is programmed to drop 5 small piles of seed into each section of tray as the tray slides underneath it. The Fodder Solutions automatic paddock is a truly revolutionary system and would be an asset to any livestock producer anywhere in the world.